Hello everyone, we have a tornado watch in effect for all of eastern Oklahoma until 9 p.m. tonight. We do have another line of storms that is headed our way, so we could see large hail, damaging winds. Flooding is definitely one of the main concerns, and we can't completely rule out a couple of tornadoes as well. So here's a look at that tornado watch until 9 p.m. You can see that it covers the eastern half of the state, extending back into northern Texas, including the Dallas Metroplex as well. We also have a flash flood watch in effect for eastern Oklahoma until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. The red indicating flash flood warnings in effect for our far eastern counties, including Sequoia County as well as LaFleur County. This is where they've seen very heavy rainfall amounts over the past couple of days. Right now, quiet conditions here in Tulsa County. You can see some of those storms moving up from the Texas area, but here we're seeing some storms developing right along that cold front. This is going to continue to push down to the southeast as we head through the evening hours, and that could potentially spark off those severe thunderstorms in our area. Also, some moderate downpours ongoing around the McAllister area. This is going to be moving into Tallahena, Orem, as well as towards Poto and Fort Smith. But right now, here in Tulsa, pretty quiet conditions. On a future track, we are going to see that line of storms developing right off to the northwest of us, moving along I-44 around 6 p.m. Then you can also see those heavier downpours and thunderstorms in our far southeast counties associated with the storms that are already developing in northern Texas right now. That line of storms will continue to move down to the southeast through the early morning hours on Monday. Behind that front and the line of storms, we are going to see cooler and drier air settling in. So a pretty nice start to your Monday. Sunshine returning, and we are looking at a lot of sunshine and dry conditions throughout the day, which is great news. A lot of areas have seen over 6 inches of rain, especially right along I-40, so that is why flooding is such a concern in those areas. And here's a look at those future track rainfall totals. Could see about another half an inch up to an inch along and north of I-44, and then another inch or two in our far southeast counties as we head towards early Monday morning. Today, definitely keep an eye on the weather. We will keep you updated on it. Monday and Tuesday, we get a brief break. We get to dry out for a little bit. Cooler temperatures, highs in the lower 70s. And then those rain chances are already increasing Wednesday through the end of the week. And even some slight rain chances continuing as we head towards next weekend. Hope you all still had a very happy Mother's Day.